Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're gonna square off open orders and cancel all the open orders and square off all the open positions using Angel Broking API. Okay, so first of all let me just go there and log in. So this is gonna be the code for today. I'll explain you in a bit. Let me first log in into my Angel Broking account. So I've logged in here successfully. As you can see, I have no open orders nor I have any open positions over here. So let me just buy a few shares. So we'll go to SBI. Let's buy some stocks. So I'll 10 intraday, submit. Now let's sell something. Let's sell ITC. So I'm randomly doing it, okay, so I don't know if we're gonna be in profit or loss. I'm just doing this for example. Alright, so we've also sold ITC. Let me just buy an option or something. Nifty. Let's see if we can go to the option chain. Right, so I've bought a few scripts and sold a few scripts. So as you can see, we'll go to the orders now. You can see we have no open orders, but as you can see we have got open position over here, and one in Nifty option and two other in SBI and ITC. Alright, and now let me just place a few limit orders. Okay, so stop loss. So let's just put stop loss in ITC of 218. Price would be 217. Alright, so sorry, let me just change it to 219. Okay, so we have placed a pending order over here right now, and we have placed 3 positions. So we are going to square off it all, and we are going to cancel all the open orders. So if you go to the Angel Broking API, you will be able to see how you can place orders over here and how you will be able to fetch net positions. So let's just directly go to the account. First we need to log in into our account, Angel Broking account. Okay, so after logging in, first we're gonna see how you can square off all open positions. So whatever we saw earlier, I've just converted it into a function to place orders, and as you can see the price is obviously 0 as we are going to place all the orders in market. So that is very clear, and we're just going to run this function, and also cancel order function we're going to run. All right, so we'll get back to this later on. First of all, let's check our open position. So I've fetched all the open positions. You can see there are 3. We have 3 open orders, and all 3 are visible in this dictionary. Right now what I'm going to do is, if you check correctly in all the order types, you'll be able to see that the net quantity here, okay, is not 0, and when we square off an order, the net quantity has to be 0. So using this logic, I have created a loop wherein we go through all the net positions, we check if the net quantity is 0. Alright, so if the net quantity is greater than 0, then the transaction type is sell, as we have a buy position in that, and if it is less than 0, that is if we are short, then the transaction type should be buy, and over here we are going to place the order. As Angel Broking has a API limit of 10 orders per second, I'm going to give a sleep of 0.2 seconds, just to avoid if we ever have more than 10 positions open at a time. Just to avoid that issue, we are going to just give it time.sleep of 0.2. So let me just run this code, and it is finished running. Let's just check if all the positions are squared off or not. Yep, all the positions have been squared off, and look, we got a profit of 47 rupees, which is probably gonna get eaten up with all the heavy brokerage. and you can see we have one open order right now. Okay, so we are gonna go and check the order book API. So if you can see that we've got all the orders which we placed right now over here, but if you see correctly, okay, so if one of the order is open, then the order status won't be complete. The order status would be either just open or trigger pending, which is the case when you place a stop loss order, right? So now what I'm gonna do is, as we have fetched all the order, we have fetched entire order book, we're gonna go through one by one through this entire order book, and if anywhere we find that the order status is either open, trigger pending, or open pending, or whatever the order status is, I've placed the names over here right from the beginning. We are gonna uh, get the variety from this order book API, and we're going to get the order ID, and using it we're just going to cancel the order. Over here we have created a function to cancel the orders, right? So let me just run it again, and let's see if our ITC order has been cancelled or not. Yep, you can see that our ITC order has been cancelled successfully. So this is the basic code which we have written to cancel all the orders and square off all the positions in their account. So thanks a lot for today. If you have any doubts, you can message me in the Telegram group, the link to which is given in the description below. Thanks a lot.